Alright, boys and girls, so today we've got an interesting charts on Bitcoin. Looks like it's recovering. We're gonna go through that, and PEPE coin breaking out, and Bonk coin as well on the breakout, going for that all-time high. And we got Brett still dropping, now down 50%. So with no further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. And as usual, remember, nothing is financial advice. This show is for entertainment and some education. Now, guys, let's start with Brett. So this is still an interesting educational point to bring here. So we've seen recently the hype with Brett, and we've seen a lot of people wanting to buy the high on Brett, and everyone was bullish at the highs, and everyone was euphoric, and everyone wanted to buy it. So that's usually not the right time, and usually we expect these meme coins to drop around 60-70%, sometimes more. You can watch yesterday's video for more info. So this is more on update. Now we can see it's down 50%. It could go lower now, trading around $350 million in its market cap. Now here, guys, is where the conviction plays. Now usually, guys, these are conviction dumps, which means now from all the noise that we've seen recently about Brett, people that had strong convictions are now gonna get tested, and people that wanted to buy now have a dip to buy, and we'll see if they got conviction and were they just buying the hype. Now in my opinion on Brett, nothing has changed in its fundamentals. It's still a strong meme coin on base somewhat. Now it got a lot of hype, a lot of euphoria, so this very likely could gather more hype and euphoria in the future if this keeps going on like that. Now in my opinion, it is time to maybe start dollar cost averaging. It can still dip further. Now keep in mind, it could still go around $200 million in its market cap, but now we could say, now most importantly, what I like to see happening starts to happen now. So top buyers on Brett are getting punished and exiting at a loss. Now we can see here, this was a large top buyer, bought a lot of Brett at the top, bought the hype, and started selling the dip now. Started selling, started capitulating. This is what I like to see. This is usually bullish. We've seen this over and over with many meme coins, with many coins. We've seen this with Bonk coin, we've seen this with PEPE, we see this all the time. So it's just that meme coins, basically they go through bull market, bear market in like a week, which is a great way to learn cryptocurrencies in a short period of time, because usually this happens with Bitcoin when everyone is euphoric at the highs, but usually takes time. Bitcoin goes through a 4-year cycle, but meme coins go through few months cycle. They go through the initial launch, everyone is euphoric about them, it keeps pumping, everyone is making money, everyone is happy, and at the end it tops and everyone's round trip their bags and sell the lows, and then we go again on another bull market. So it's pretty very fast on meme coins. This also is a very important point to understand, is that meme coins go through 4 or 5 bull markets in the same time Bitcoin is just going sideways. So in my opinion, it's maybe time to start allocating. If you feel like you wanted Brett at the highs and now you waited for a dip, that would be the right opportunity time. Now in my opinion, I would still think Toshi is a better pick on Coinbase, as it has a lower market cap, it's an older meme coin, it's a more established meme coin, and they are doing some sort of other things going on for them, and there is less noise. Basically, I like quiet, I like silence, I like when nobody's looking at something, I like when everyone's eyes are somewhere else. And as I explained, usually when everyone is buying something, it's not the right time. So in my opinion, Toshi is the one going under the radar. There are also some other undervalued meme coins on Coinbase. There are gonna be a lot of other meme coins on Coinbase in the future, but we got this DGen, which is a layer 3 also on the base chain, which now you can see that it flipped Brett. And a few days ago I told you guys this is maybe right time now for DGen L3 on base, as it just keeps it simple, right? If people are gonna start using an L3 on base and you want an allocation to the base chain, it would just make sense to just have one strong conviction coin. So this could be even DGen or Toshi without having to worry about what's going on with Brett. But to stay unbiased and neutral, and just from what we got in front of our eyes with Brett, the dip now looks pretty decent. Now you guys have learned a valuable lesson right now watching what happened with Brett. This happens all the time. Whenever you see a meme coin that is too hyped up, you don't want to get into it right then and there. You want to wait for the dip, and especially when it gets too high and it goes to very high market caps, usually this means it's gonna drop around 60 to 80%. Now when it comes to Bonk coin, I do think now this is a strong breakout, as now the meme coins that nobody wanted last month are now rallying. So this is the second thing with meme coins, is meme coins, they like silence. They're a bit of a shy kind. They don't like people looking at them. So when nobody's looking at them, they start rallying. It's usually the right time. So Bonk here was going on a downtrend, like basically topped and then went on a downtrend for around 46 days or a month. So basically trending down, nobody looking at it. And usually that's the right time, right? Usually that's the right time when nobody is looking, when everyone is busy with other hyped up coins. Usually it's the time. So like this guy here who bought the top on Brett, if it just went ahead and bought Bonk, would be in profit now, and maybe much more profits when this thing is gonna go higher. So we also got PEPE, the one and only meme coin on ETH, the top meme coin right now, the meme coin that's showing most of the strength right now, breaking out. This could as well pull in a new all-time high. When Bitcoin is ranging like this, usually altcoins, they thrive, and we see the strong ones from the weak ones. We see coins that have strong convictions, and we start to see those strong meme coins and altcoins rallying. So now in this cycle, we only got meme coins. Meme coins are the strongest. We can see now most of these other altcoins, the utility crap is not doing much. Meme coins are the ones doing most of the gains right now. So PEPE now is still going up. Dog we've had holding strong around $3 billion in its market cap. Flowkey and Bonk, and now Book of Meme is the most undervalued and the top meme coins this far. So PEPE is gonna keep leading, in my opinion. I've been saying this for a long time. I do think PEPE is gonna be the leader this bull cycle. It's gonna be probably the shocker, the coin to reach crazy valuations, maybe $100 billion in its market cap or something like that. Bonk does look like it wants higher, but we'll see. Now the top meme coins are gonna be top for a long time. It's gonna take a lot of strength from any meme coin here at the lows to take out any top meme coin. And as you can see now, recently Brett tried this but did not succeed. So this far, top meme coins are gonna stay top meme coins, and the most undervalued one now is Book of Meme. The other beta plays on the meme coin space, like Snake, now is kind of pulling some decent gains recently. It's on the Cardano chain. Maybe something is going on there. Now I just noticed this slowly under the radar starting to pick up. Now it's up 33%. Arbdoge, top meme coin on Arbitrum, pretty decent coin as well. And Grok, possibly it's gonna be like the late runner, possibly got a decent shot at being a top meme coin. So now when it comes to Bitcoin, what we got here? So it looks like Bitcoin is trending like that. Maybe we're still gonna go for that low here. It would be healthy to just take it out. Just take it out, take all that liquidity, and then we break out. But this looks bullish. A lot of FUD recently. We've got the SEC going against MetaMask, and it seems like the US feds are going against self-custody, crypto self-custody. So there is a lot of FUD going on right now, and Bitcoin is holding strong. Meme coins are still rallying like nothing is happening. This is a bullish sign. When we have FUD and the market does not care about it, this usually means we are out of sellers right now. And recently we've got a lot of funding rate reset, which means leverage traders got wrecked with this recent Bitcoin drop. This is also a very bullish thing, so we're possibly gonna have a bullish week coming ahead. Now the weekend, not much happens during the weekend. Usually we see some degen plays, low market cap coins rallying, and people degening, gambling on the DEX screener. This is usually what happens, but this far we still have the plan. The plan stays the same. We're still bullish, we're still going higher. I do think we're gonna see another high on Bitcoin soon, and this play might just play out now here, or we could just see Bitcoin breaking out. But now we're going in the weekend, so not much happens usually with Bitcoin. So that's something to note as well, guys, to remember. In the weekends, not much happens. Now keep an eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks out here, happy days, we're all getting rich. But PEPE might just do it. PEPE might just be enough and be the shocker, maybe pull a new all-time high. You can imagine the hype and euphoria that's gonna create. That's gonna bring a lot of people back into the space, and especially to meme coins as usual. Anyways, this is gonna be a short video just updating you guys. Basically, you can follow me on Twitter, link in the description. You can join my Discord, it's free to join. And thank you so much for clicking and watching this video till the end. I really appreciate you, appreciate your recent support, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.